channel. My name is Jazz. If you are new here, I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and when I want to snatch this waist. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. As you have read the title, today I am going to be doing a Flashybox unboxing, which I already went in the box. Yeah, I already went in the box because y'all know me. When I get a package in the mail, I gotta open it up. Like, I can't wait. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the items that I did purchase. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. This is the box that it did come in. And if you're not familiar with Flashybox, they are just a company that sells clothing, accessories, shoes, and stuff like that. Their shipping is superb. Like, whenever I order, my stuff normally comes like within 2 to 3 days. So you don't have to worry about your stuff not coming. They also have bags, stuff like that. So I only purchased like some bags and some shoes or whatever. So I am going to show you guys the shoes and the bags, and I am going to try the shoes on so you guys can see what they look like, because I hate to see videos when people are showing shoes and they don't try them on. Like, how am I supposed to know what it look like on your feet, girl? Like, how am I supposed to get a representation of what it's gonna look like on my foot? Okay, so Flashybox has the brand called Cape Robin. I don't know if they're like affiliated with each other, or I don't know how they work, but all I know is they have a lot of Cape Robin shoes. I did purchase some shoes from them before. If you haven't seen my platform Crocs, well, they say they ain't Crocs, but they look just like Crocs, so I'm gonna call them Crocs, okay? I did a platform Croc video, and they are Cape Robin as well, and it came from Flashybox. So if you haven't seen that already, make sure you go check that out. I will put it above. So let's get into this video. The first thing that I did pick up are these little flats. And I know you guys have seen them before because I have wore these kind of flats in my last video from Shein. I'll put that above too. So don't click on it right now. Just, you know, go to it later, okay? It comes in this little baggie, and it's just like a pink baggie. And on the front it says Cape Robin, remember your comfort. And I did pick up these slides. They are in blue and they are a size 8. And I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag. Get rid of the bag because we don't need that. Okay, so these are the flats. They are basically just these woven braided material as well, and then on the bottom part of the shoe it also has that textured bottom as well. These are super cute. I've got these to go with like this graphic tee that I have on. Well, not this one exactly, but another graphic tee. And then I got a bag to go with this from another company that I'm gonna, you know, show y'all or whatever, but you know, not today. Okay, so yeah, I really love these. I love the color of these, and they just stand out. Like, I haven't seen this color in some flats, so that's why I picked these up. And so y'all know me. Like, y'all know me, okay? If y'all watching me, y'all already know me. Y'all know I get the same stuff in the same, like, different colors. So y'all know how I roll, okay? So I got the same shoe. Same shoe, okay? Got the same shoe in orange. And I just thought this orange was really, really pretty. It stands out. It's very vibrant. The same exact texture on the bottom of the shoe. And then this braided material right here that goes across your foot. Nothing special, just the same exact shoe, just a different color. Okay, we're gonna get that out the way. So the next thing I did purchase, and this did come in a plastic bag over this, but as I said, I did go ahead and go in this box. So it comes in this little baggie right here. This is a purse, and on the inside it was wrapped up in this plastic, as you can see. But it's just one of these bags, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all know, if you've been on Instagram or whatever, you've seen this bag. You've seen plenty of these bags. I know a lot of different other companies have this bag as well. This is just a nude color padded bag, if that's what you want to call it. I know Bottega has the, you know, exact bag, but I'm not fixing to pay like $3,000–$4,000 for a purse, okay? Like, that's just not happening, okay? So we're gonna have to do what it do with the cheap version, okay? So I picked up this one in the nude color, and the only thing that I really don't care for is that when you get ready to open it, like, you can't just pull it open. Like, you gotta pull it down and pull it open, because it has this little attachment right here, and the flap of the purse has to be pulled down and then pushed in for it to stay open. So I don't really like that because I can't just open it. Like, I gotta flip it upside down, and then I feel like my stuff gonna fall out. But it's cute though. It's still cute. Like, I still think that it is made from good quality, you know. And then on the inside, it has this little flap so it can come out. So it's basically like a little wallet where you can put your change in and stuff like that, and it just snaps back in. It has those 2 snaps, and it snaps back into the purse. But I really love this purse. I think it's super cute. I think the quality of it is amazing. The chain is like super thick, okay? Like, it's not one of those cheap little plastic chains. Like, if you hit somebody with this chain, they're gonna get knocked out, okay? So that's why I really love this purse. It does make a lot of noise because the chain is super heavy. So I'm gonna pull that back down, and I will look back on the website. I ain't gonna just throw this on the floor, so let me put this down nicely, okay? I think that bag was like $37.99 and the shoes were $21.99, I want to say. But you know me, your girl always find a discount code. So if you can find a discount code, find one, boo, because they always come through, okay? So y'all already know I had to get another one, okay? So I got the same exact bag, but I also got it in black. Yes, black come through, and I think the black looks so good. Like, there's no flaws on this bag at all, because I know sometimes I can get stuff from places and they have like little minor defects or whatever on it, but this doesn't have any defects on it at all. The only thing, like I said, is trying to open it, y'all. Pull it open like that, but maybe, you know, after a couple of wears or whatever, and you carry it and you keep opening it, maybe it'll be easier to open. I don't know. But it has the same exact thing on the inside as well, which is that flap that comes out as well. But it's so cute. It's so cute, y'all. And I think these bags, like I said, were $37.99. The chain, super duper sturdy, super duper heavy. I don't see this breaking ever. But y'all, this is a bag. Like, you can't tell me it's a bag. And I will link it down below if these are still available. But I know the last time I looked, I don't remember seeing any more, but they might have some more on there, because you know, all these companies be restocking because y'all be selling them out, okay? Put that right there, okay? Oh, Jesus. Let me just act like that didn't happen, okay? Alright, so the next thing that I did get was some shoes, and they came in this Cape Robin box, as you can see. Really cute box. It has this rubber band on it, I'm just guessing so the top doesn't come off while it's in transit. These are just some flats as well. It comes with a little Cape Robin card, and this just basically says facts about their product, their Instagram, Facebook, all that, YouTube, all that, whatever. And then on the inside, they're just some flats as well, and they're pink. It also has this braided material, but this is basically like really soft and plushy. It's not the same exact material as the other shoe, and as you can see, it does have that square toe, and it doesn't have any textured, like it doesn't have a textured bottom at the bottom. But I thought these were super cute. I'm trying to get into like my pink vibes or whatever, but I really think these are cute, and I have wide feet, so I like a little padding around my foot, so I thought these would be great. Okay, and the next box of shoes that I have is a big box of shoes, because these are heels, you guys. And I don't know why I got heels, because your girl don't be going nowhere or whatever, but one day I will, okay? Just one day. I don't know when, but somebody gonna have to take me out somewhere, do something with me, like somebody, one of my girls gonna have to take me out. But anyway, so this is the heel that I got, you guys. And I know it looks just like a basic little black heels, but it's not to me, because I've always wanted a pair of these shoes. But when you have wide feet like me, it's kind of hard to get these, because this right here, when it's really thin, it hurts like up against your foot. So I decided to get these because, as you can see, this part right here is padded and it's super thick, so it gives you more coverage, and then it gives you like more support. So that's why I picked these up. And then this is also padded right here as well, and then it has this heel which isn't really that high, but it kind of look high, but it's really not that high. And then on the back you have that gold zipper on the back, and it zips up, and it just has Cape Robin on the back as well. But I really love these shoes because I always wanted a pair, but I wanted some that were comfortable. Okay, I mean, I know y'all wear them or whatever, but I don't just want to be cute, I want to be comfortable as well. So these are super comfortable. I haven't worn these yet, obviously, because I just got this box, but I don't really know how this is gonna feel, but it is kind of padded right here. And these shoes also did come in gold. I will link them down below if you guys are interested in them, but I really thought they were cute. And yeah, you can't go wrong with a simple black plain heel because they're gonna go with a lot of different things. Okay, so you guys, that was everything in my Flashybox aka Cape Robin haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to come back. Bye, y'all.